Neovim, Episode 5, Substitution and Global Commands. Transform at scale. Here's what we'll cover. Substitution with flags, regex, and capture groups. Global commands: delete, keep, and move lines. Refactoring: rename, convert case, move imports. Let's begin. JavaScript file: inconsistent naming. :s, first match online. /g, all on this line. %s, entire file. All var replaced. /g, circa confirm each. Y, replace. N, skip. All remaining. /gi, case-insensitive. /gn, count only. Range, line 3 to 20. Capture group, back reference. Functions renamed. Regex, snake to camelCase. All converted. Server log, mixed levels. :g, print matching lines. G, delete. Remove debug lines. Debug lines gone. Versus keep only errors. Only error lines remain. G, move. Warnings to end. Warnings at bottom. G, normal. Prefix each error. Prefix added. Range plus global. Python file. Scattered imports. Move imports to top. All imports grouped. Rename function. Whole file. All references updated. Snake case to camel case. All identifiers converted. Delete blank lines. Let us recap 5 key takeaways. First, :s substitutes first match. %s applies to entire file. Second, flags: g_all, gc_confirm, gi_ignore case, gn_count. Third, capture groups, back references, and uppercase regex transformations. Fourth, :g deletes matching lines. :v is inverse, keeps only matching. Fifth, :g plus normal applies any edit to every matching line. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Neovim tutorials.